peaceful kingdom of Eldoria, Princess Luna was known for her kindness and insatiable curiosity. She loved exploring every corner of the vast palace gardens, often daydreaming about adventures beyond the royal walls. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through a hidden part of the garden, Luna stumbled upon an ancient, glowing relic buried beneath a blanket of moss and vines. It shimmered with a strange, mesmerizing light, and despite warnings from her advisor to stay away from forbidden artifacts, her curiosity got the better of her. In a moment of wonder, she reached out and touched the relic. Suddenly, a surge of powerful energy shot through her, and the relic's glow amplified, filling her with a strange, exhilarating feeling. Luna felt an unexplainable strength coursing inside her. At first, she thought it was a wonderful gift, something that could help her protect her loved ones and her people. But as she returned to her chambers, she realized that her new powers were unpredictable, causing flickers of chaos and confusion throughout the palace. Light fixtures flickered wildly, objects floated in the air, and her servants stared in horror. Caught in a wave of doubt and fear,
dreams and wonder, Princess
Luna's wise advisor, Sir Aemon, hurried in, eyes wide with concern. "Your Highness, this relic is dangerous. Your powers are uncontrolled. If you do not return it, our kingdom might fall into ruin." Luna looked down, feeling guilty. She didn't intend for harm, but she also couldn't ignore the temptation her newfound strength brought her. She whispered to herself, "Maybe I can use this power to help everyone, if I just learn how." Later that night, Luna secretly slipped away from the palace with the relic hidden beneath her cloak. She wandered into the Forest of Whispers, a place known for its ancient magic and mysterious secrets. There she met Eldrin, a wise old wizard who had long watched over Eldoria. With a gentle voice, Eldrin explained, "That relic is the Heartstone, Princess. It holds immense power, but it was meant for the gods, not mortals. You've stolen a fragment of that divine strength. If left unchecked, it could destroy everything." Luna's eyes filled with tears. "I only wished to help my people. I thought if I could wield this power, I'd be a better princess." Eldrin nodded softly. "True strength is not in magic alone, but in kindness, humility, and courage. You must decide, will you keep the relic and risk tearing the world apart, or return it and face the consequences of your actions?" That night, Luna made her choice. She confronted the chaos outside her window. Dark creatures born from her misuse of power were spreading fear across the land. Bursting with resolve, she clutched the relic one last time and, with Eldrin's help, channeled her newfound courage to release its hold. The relic's light faded and the darkness receded. Luna understood that true power wasn't magic itself, but the strength to do what was right, even when it was hard. With humility and a renewed sense of purpose, Luna returned the relic to the depths of the forest where it belonged. She then vowed to become a princess not just of wealth and beauty, but of wisdom and compassion. Eldoria blossomed once more under her care, the people inspired by her newfound humility. Luna had learned that real power was about protecting others, caring for her land, and always remaining true to herself. And so Princess Luna's adventure became a legend, reminding everyone that the greatest magic is found in kindness, bravery, and the willingness to learn from mistakes.
In a land of dreams and wonder, Princess Luna's heart was pure. With a curious soul so bright, seeking truth that's deep and sure. Oh, the light inside us all, shining bright, standing tall. magic inside of you. Through the shadows and the fear, learning what is real and dear. Power's not just what you see, but the heart that dares to be. Oh, the light inside a soul, shining bright, standing tall, with kindness, courage, and love so true. We can find the magic inside of you. From the darkness there's a dawn. Every ending is reborn. Let your brave heart guide the way. Turn the night into day. In the light of the heart, we find our way. With love and hope, we'll always stay. Princess Luna's story shows us how to be strong, gentle and brave somehow. Oh, the light inside a soul, shining bright, standing tall, with kindness, courage, and love so true. We can find the magic inside of you. From the darkness there's a dawn. Every ending is reborn.
Subscribe to my channel.